gonna get right into it. This is my URBANSKINRX Cleanse Skin Cleansing Bar. URBANSKINRX has a couple different bars like this, but this one is my favorite. It gives a really good consistency. I also have the clear skin one, which helps with hyperpigmentation. What I love about this face wash is that it comes with this like little sponge, and it's so easy to use. All you do is wet it, rub it around the bar, and that's how you wash your face. So to dry my face, I use these cotton cloths that I got off Amazon. 80 of them come in a pack and they were only $8. So the benefit of using a cotton cloth to dry your face, if you use a towel, bacteria tends to grow on a wet towel if you just, use the same towel over and over again. So this way you can pick a new one up every time you wash your face and you'll be good to go. Next, I'm using my facial toner by DIS. It's the lavender one. I love lavender. And I'm using these organic cotton rounds that I got from Kroger. So basically I take one of my cotton rounds and I apply some toner to the cotton round to apply to my face. This is good before doing a face mask because it balances the pH of your skin and it allows any impurities that are on your skin to wipe away. Now I'm going to be applying my face mask. Today I'm going to be using the Freeman face mask. These are like my go-to, greatest of all time face masks. They make so many really good ones and the ingredients are really good for your skin. This one is a lemon and mint one. I also have the apple cider vinegar clay scrub. I use this like if I haven't done a scrub in a couple of days, and it's also a mask, so I'll let it sit on. But today I'm gonna be using the lemon and mint one because I did have a little breakout and have some hyperpigmentation. I said hyperpigmentation, hyperpigmentation that I'm trying to clear up. So I'm just gonna apply this all over my face and I'm gonna let it sit for 10 minutes. Y'all, it's really a shame that my glam room always looks like this. I literally just come in here and destroy it and clean it up and do it all over again. So here I am after I wash my face mask off. I'm using another one of those cotton cloths to dry my face. And y'all, they are so soft. I love them so much. So now that I'm done with my face mask, my face is really dry. So I'm going to go in with some oil. This is my URBANSKINRX Vitamin C Drops. This also helps with pigmentation, brightening the skin, and just giving your skin an overall glow. So I'm applying that all over my face. And I'm going to seal it with a moisturizer. It's always important to seal your oils just so you get that extra hydration and you have a good seal when you go to sleep so your face can just suck up all of the goodness that you've applied to it. So to seal my face, I'm going to be using my Even Tone Night Serum by URBANSKINRX. It also helps with hyperpigmentation. I get hyperpigmentation really easily, so a lot of my products are focused on hyperpigmentation, especially being a woman of color. I just want to have an even skin tone, so days where I don't want to wear makeup, I don't necessarily have to. So now I'm going to apply some moisturizer to my lips. I like to do this because it just doesn't make sense to skip this step. If my face is super moisturized, my lips are part of my face. So I make sure that my lips are moisturized before going to sleep. And also, if babe want to come in for a kiss, my lips ain't crusty. So I just finished my skincare routine. clearly, because I look like a shiny glazed donut. But I just wanted to say that was just one of my skincare routines. I actually do a couple of different things, use a couple of different products, but that'll be a video for another time. But for the most part, the main products that I use is URBANSKINRX. Like, I use that for my face wash. I ran out of their moisturizer, but their moisturizer is absolutely bomb. I use the vitamin C drops, and I also use the dark skin corrector. I'm wanting to get some other stuff by them. My boyfriend just got home. But yeah, so I know I want to get their pumpkin mask. I've been trying to get my hands on that forever, and then they just came out with some new products that I'm gonna be looking at soon too.